Okay, hi everybody, Hassan from Mechanic Bar. After we clean the chain, we need to lubricate it. So my preferred choice is by Liqui Moly chain lube white. Okay, what is chain lube white? Okay, during the lubrication, it will leave a white residue onto the chain. So it means that you know that this particular part of the chain has been lubricated. You do not want to over lube the chain. And also it comes in a smaller version, a small can, so that you can use this for touring, and this bigger one can actually top up the smaller can. So remember guys, after cleaning you need to lubricate, and when you need to lubricate again, you need to observe that the parts are well lubricated and not over lubricated. So chain lube white enables you to visibly see the white residue. It will last you for maybe about 2 to 3 minutes, so that you can have ample time to check all parts of the chain, the links, the rollers and the general chain, that they are all well lubricated.